Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. Good day to you, primary one learners. How are you doing? I'm sure you're happy to be in the class today. My name is Miss Akinyele. I am here to take you agricultural science. Our topic for today is air and its uses. What did I say? Air and its uses. Can you echo the spelling together? A-I-R, air. Again, A-I-R, air. Before we go to the meaning of air, let's quickly look at the learning objectives. At the end of today's lesson, number one, you should be able to define air. Number two, you should be able to mention objects where air can occupy. That is, you should be able to know the meaning of air. Then number two, you should be able to mention objects where air can occupy. Now, before we look at the meaning of air, I want you to quickly do something. I want you to blow air into your two hands. Can you see what you are blowing? No, you cannot see, but you can feel it. Though you cannot see the air, but you can feel the air. So this one leads us to the meaning of air. Air is a mixture of gases. What did I say? Air is a mixture of gases. It contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. It contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. What are the gases that air contains? Number one is what? Nitrogen. Then number two is what? Oxygen. And the third one is what? Carbon dioxide. We have more than that, and so on and so forth. So from the particle that we just did, it means air is something that we cannot see. Can you see air with your eyes? No, you cannot see air with your eyes. But you can only what? You can only feel air. When the air is blowing into your body, you can feel it, but you cannot what? You cannot see them. It means air are invisible. Air are what? Air are invisible. Let's look at the object air can occupy. We have so many examples of objects where air can occupy. Let's look at the first one is balloon. How many of you have seen balloon before? Somebody is telling me, I've not seen it before. Let me quickly show you examples of balloon. Look at this picture. Can you see them? Can you see the balloons? They are big. What occupies the balloon is air. Once you allow the air to escape from the balloon, it becomes small. Can you see the astronaut? Astronaut man, that is what that is traveling in the air. Can you see him? So these are the objects that what that the object where the what air occupy. So these are the pictures of objects where air occupies. Air also occupy bicycle. How many of you have seen bicycle before? They are saying they have them at home. Very good. How many of you have seen bicycle tire before? You've seen them. Yes. You can see what make the bicycle tire to be working is air. Air occupy bicycle tire. Then you also have tire tube. How many of you have seen tire tube before? Can you see it? So without the air inside the tire tube, it cannot work. Without the air inside the tire tube, the car cannot move. So so air is what is making the car to move very well. Can you now see that air are very important to us? So you cannot do without it. Even human being, you can't do without air. Is what we breathe in. Are you getting me now? You are what? You are breathing in, you are breathing out. What are you breathing in? Is air. So air are very important to us. If you have any question to ask me, you can type your question and set it back to me. So this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you really enjoy the class. Submit your assignment next class. Bye bye.